3 is about graphing reciprocal functions. Reciprocal functions just look like a fraction in this kind of form like this, 1 over x, or really you could put any number on top, any real number on top, and any linear equation on bottom. So this is the basic form. So this is the parent function. And then the graph itself looks like this, where we cannot divide by 0. So we can't have a 0 at the bottom, so that'd be a vertical asymptote in there like that. And then it's called a hyperbola. And our domain is everything but what can make the denominator 0. And here we don't even cross 0 on this one, so there's no intercepts on here. And so let's go ahead and look at a problem here. I just want to identify what would my vertical asymptote be. Okay, so that's where all I have to do is just take the denominator and only the denominator and set it equal to 0. So my vertical asymptote would be x equals 0, or where the function is not being able to go. So our domain would be from all x's such that x has to be greater than 0 and x has to be less than 0. Okay, so you could do it like that, or you could do it like this on an interval notation like that. Okay, everything but 0, it cannot be 0. So our vertical asymptote is just the vertical lane, x equals 0. Okay, on this one, we take the denominator only and we set it equal to 0. Okay, so that means x equals 7 would be our vertical asymptote. That means x can be everything but 7, or x is greater than 7 and x is less than 7, but it can't be 7. So this one again, set my denominator equal to 0, solve that, subtract 4, and divide by 3, so negative 3/4. So our vertical asymptote is x equals negative 3/4, and then our domain is everything but negative 4/3. I think I said 3/4, but it's negative 4/3. So that is how you find your limitations on your domain, what x cannot be, and you find your vertical asymptote as well. Okay.